Come see how we install our outdoor automatic awnings onto a brick home. We start with mounting the cassette. Fold out the tab with the hole to attach to the wall. You might want to get your screws and anchors ready at this point to save some time. You'll be using the top and bottom screw holes on the back of the cassette to face fix it to the wall. Use the holes as a guide to drill or mark them first and pre-drill your holes with a hammer drill. You'll want to make sure that your screw holes are going to be drilled into brick, not the mortar between them. Use a spirit level against the cassette to ensure it's straight as you're marking the holes to drill. Insert the screws into the pre-drilled holes, making sure the cassette is mounted securely. With larger blinds such as this one, it can be handy to have 2 people to install. It makes things a bit easier. Next, we install the guide bars. Check that your marks line up with a solid and stable surface. If you're fitting into masonry like we are here, ensure that your screw holes are going to be drilled into the brick, not the mortar between them. You can move your marks downwards a little to ensure that this is the case. Next, slide the side runners and then the U-brackets onto the bottom of the guide bars and mark out the screw holes. Use a hammer drill to drill the screw holes. If you're not confident doing it this way, you can swing the guide bar out of the way while you drill and then move it back into place before screwing the U-brackets in securely. Now we need to tension the blind spring-loaded mechanism. Hold the blind tightly and use vice grips or a 10mm socket to turn the spring pin clockwise. Keep turning until you feel significant tension on the mechanism. Ensure the latch is locked in position before releasing the spring pin. To fit your blind, lift it up inside the cassette and slot the spring pin into the plate on the inside right of the cassette. Then lift the other side into place and slot the roller pin into its corresponding side plate on the left. Pull the blind down and attach the guide runners to the ends of the bottom bar using the hex nuts provided. Your blind is now installed and ready to use. You might like to check the tension of your blind, making sure it moves smoothly both up and down. A control wand is supplied for you. You can use the hook on the end of the wand and the ring in the blind's bottom bar to raise and lower the blind as needed.